Yo, what is up everyone? My name's Dom. We're here to talk about unusual options activity. So, I think I'm going to just start talking about the trades that I find today instead of dragging it out and bringing up the trades from last time and talking about those when I already talked about them before. I'm just trying to shorten these videos up. I know some of you don't want to sit here for 10 minutes and watch a 10-minute video. So let me know in the comments if you want me to do it the new way or the old way. I'm willing to do whatever. I just figure I shorten it up a little bit just so some people don't want to sit here and watch a whole video, and you guys can just go back and watch the other one to hear me talk about it. Alright, first things first, disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. The statements made in this programming are solely the opinion of the show and are not a specific inducement to make an investment. One must perform their own due diligence and realize that all investments carry risk. There is no guarantee of profit. Let's go. Alright, so first one I found today was Zscaler. Now this is a software security company, and I was poking around here and I saw that, look at this, all these December 18th 180 calls. Looks like somebody bought about all of these ones. Because once again, these are all at the same time here, and they're all at the same price. These other ones, whoever bought these ones at 8:05 a.m. might have even bought these at 8:07, and they might have even bought these at 7:59. I probably think that all four of these orders are together. They're all $6. This one's like less than a minute apart. This 8:04.41 and this 8:05.37. Those are pretty close together, so you could say with almost certainty that all four of these are the same orders. You could say probably with like 99% confidence that all these 8:05s are the same order. So now these are December 18th, people. These expire on Friday, so you have Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. These expire in 3 days. If Zscaler, which is trading right now at 181, if Zscaler is not above 180 in 3 days when these options expire on Friday, then these options are going to be worthless. So this is the deep end of the pool. These trades are not for everyone. This is a very risky trade. These options can expire worthless in 3 days. Usually I like to go out and give myself a lot of time here, but this is a risky trade. I decided to just take a flyer on this one. I bought these calls. We're in these ones. I bought these in another account, so you're not going to see the position here. But yeah, I mean, there's some nice volume here, and if you add all these up, 900 for sure times 600. That's a pretty hefty trade, $500,000. So I like these ones. I'm in these ones, and we'll see what happens. Now here's the chart for Zscaler. As you can see, huge move to the upside, absolutely massive. It had reported great earnings. This was on December 3rd, and it's kind of been consolidating. Usually I like for something to be consolidating for more than just like a little over a week. I mean, I guess it's been, almost 2 weeks, but still. Deep end of the pool, very risky trade here, guys, and these options are not cheap. They're like 600 bucks. I'm not sure what they are now, but when this person bought them, they were like 600 bucks. Now they're like, 400. So as you can see, this person already has a big loss. They paid 600. Now since the stock traded down $2 only today, these are now worth 400. So these options move. They move to the downside and they move to the upside. So there's your risk right there. This person is already down almost like $200,000. So it's very risky, people. And we don't know. There's no guarantee of profit. We don't know what's going to happen with these. But we took a flyer and we'll see what happens. I put the money in, I'm expecting to lose it, so if I lose it, I'm not mad. I'm going into this having an expectation that I will lose all the money I put in, so we'll see what happens. Next one was IIVI. I don't even know how to say this company's name, but I like what they do, Production Technology. And as you can see here, we have ourselves a little bit of some time here. This April 16th is what we were looking at here. They're also getting these January 85 strike calls. I opted to get these ones. This person came in here and bought about $500,000 worth of these. You got to go through and add it all up. I can just show you guys how I do that real quick. Yeah, so you just go to April 75. Look for these 8:36 ones, 8:36, the time, 8:36 a.m., 8:36, 8:36. So this is all the same trade. Somebody put it on, and someone else also came in here and was buying these at 10:38, 10:38. Someone bought some of these at 7:52, 7:52, 7:52. So as you can see, a lot of buying going on here. April 16th, someone was even getting the 80 calls. I believe I jumped into these, 75 calls here. Good volume versus open interest. You know, the volume is a hell of a lot higher than the open interest, which is good. Remember, open interest is the number of contracts that are outstanding that have not been closed so far. So when at the open, it was 151 open interest, and it stays like that all day. And then the next day, some of this volume here is going to transfer over to open interest because those contracts have yet to be closed yet. So open interest gets updated at the end of every trading day. Well, it gets updated at the next morning, but open interest is just the number of contracts that are outstanding. So it gets updated once a day. The next morning you see open interest change, and then it stays the same for that whole trading day. It gets updated again the next morning, and it's just the number of contracts that are outstanding that people own that have not been closed yet. So keep an eye on this one. I'm in these calls. I like what this company does. It's Production Technology. If you guys know Lam Research, Applied Materials, it's all just production technology, specifically with semiconductors. So you know how to produce semiconductors, the technology behind the production of, you know, nanometer chips, semiconductors, technology in general. So I like this stock. And here's the chart here. As you can see, it's had an amazing move, and I like to follow charts that look like this. I mean, you know, when it's had too much of a move, then you got to be a little careful. This is one of those stocks that's had a huge move, but you know, we're looking for it to continue a little bit here. If I get a nice profit in these, probably take it off the table, even though it's in April. If I get a huge profit tomorrow, I'll take it off. You know, you can get trapped, you know, saying to yourself, well, these options are all the way out on April 16th. You know, when you have a nice profit, you're like, these are all the way out on April 16th. You know, I don't want to cut the loss, or I don't want to take the profit, you know, because I have so much time. And then, you know, the trade will start to lose. So never turn a winning trade into a losing trade. If you have a nice profit, take it, no matter if you have a lot of time left on the options. That's what I do. You know, I'm not here to tell you guys what to do. I'm just saying what I do, and you can follow it. I'm just here to say what works for me, why it works for me, and what I do. So, you know, you guys can learn from that, do what you want with it. And yeah, that's the conclusion of today's video. So keep an eye on these ones, and make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Sorry for going a little long with the video. I figure I'd just explain a few things. So I'll try to keep the video shorter. Just let me know in the comments what you guys want me to do. Longer, shorter videos. Go over the trades from the last day. Yeah. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.